Hello everyone, my name is Ivan Ross, also better known as the author of Ellenbrook Manor. Thanks so much for joining me on this brief walkthrough. I just quickly want to show you what structured data is and what structured data means. After writing for a couple of years, I've spent a lot of money on advertising like most other indie authors, and it didn't yield the required results. So I started looking into other routes. And I remember in my days as a technical writer, I used to use structured data all the time. And in brief, it's little snippets that we add to our website to improve search engine performance, or basically search engine ranking. So let me just quickly show you what it looks like, or what meta schema data looks like. There you go. You can see this is for the book, for my book Keepers of the Lighthouse, and that is the image of the book, and this is a brief summary of my book. And then you can add code snippets to your metadata. Just for as an example, have a look at The Office. So if this book is available in multiple marketplaces on Amazon, like the United States and Great Britain, you can see I've listed 2 marketplaces with the individual office there. This is in pounds and that is in dollars. So basically we just add these little code snippets to our website, and it has a drastic performance boost, or increase in performance. You can see it if I show you quickly. Have a look at this. If you search for me as an author, Ross, let's do that. And you can see this is all due to the structured data snippets I have on my website. So there's it displays me as an author, and then it also has a quick overview with my social profile links. And I've only got the Twitter one listed here, but I can add more, or X as it is called now. And then there you can also see a list of my books. There you go. So after I added the structured data to my website, you can see here that this rich results testing tools from Google validates the data that we add to our website to make sure that we don't have any errors. So there you can see that the books I've listed, Shadows of the Seed Rendezvous, these all correspond to the books I've got listed on my author profile. And it doesn't stop there. If I search for a specific book, let's just say I search for Ellenbrook Manor itself, you can see how that structured data, how the search engine like Google breaks it up, uses the little code snippets to break it apart, or to segment the data. So you've got an overview, you've got a summary, you've got an analysis, and you've got your reviews. There you go. And you can also see there's more by the author, and then you can see the reviews on all the different platforms. And then you can also see from our performance that from our website performance that for evanross.com, that there's a significant increase in traffic coming to my website due to the structured data. So it's definitely worth having this on your website. If I had to take all the money I spend on advertising, I could have taken this route in the first place. And then one more thing is, structured data doesn't just pertain to Google. Other search engines like Bing, which is the second biggest search engine, also translate the data. So if you look at if you do a search for me, for my name, Ivan Ross, let's just search for, there you go. This is how Bing translates the structured data on your website. So you can see they've also got it listed, all my books and everything about me and everything listed separately. And this is also how it will display on mobile devices. So you can click on that little link there, and it will take you further. It will show you a list of every book I have, and much more. And as I said previously, it drastically increases your search engine performance, your website presence on search engines. You can see here your click-through rate, and your average position is definitely higher, and your total impressions and total clicks on the website. So it's definitely worth having this on your website. If you'd like to know how to do it, if you've got a Shopify website, or you've got a WooCommerce website, or whatever website, if you're on WordPress, there are plugins available that can help you do it. You can ask your webmaster or whoever looks after your website, or you can even do it yourself. I've shared an article on Medium that you can read. It gives you more instructions, or you can just reach out to me and I can give you some guidelines on how to get this implemented on your website. It's definitely worth it, and you can definitely not do without it as an author. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fantastic day. Cheers.